The Quran as it explains itself.
कुरान अपनी तफसीर अब करता है। कुरान अपनी तफसीर अब करता है।
القرآن الكريم يفسر نفسه.
Hard except for those who are humbly committed to a noble cause. See verses 2:153, 70:17-27, 90:10-18. You have become used to thriving on the fruit of others' toil, such as devouring usury, and, therefore, economic equity and social equality strike at your selfish interests. See verse 2:275. Khushu. Equals being humbly compliant. Equals sincerely committed. Equals being devoted to a noble cause. Sabr. Equals patience. Equals facing adversity with courage. Equals steadfastness. Equals resolve. Equals determination in the face of affluence or adversity. Al-Baqarah, 246. Those who realize that they are to meet their Lord and that they are to return to Him. Meeting the Lord also indicates facing His law of requital. Returning to Him signifies being subject to His law. It also denotes following His commands, and, of course, it alludes to the life hereafter. Al-Baqarah, 247. Once again, O children of Israel, remember the blessings I bestowed upon you and how I gave you distinction among the nations, of the times when you were faithful to commands. 2:122, Al-Baqarah, 248. And beware of the day, when all actions will encounter absolute justice, and contrary to your thinking, no person will avail another in the least. And neither intercession will be accepted, nor shall compensation be taken from anyone. And they will not be helped. 6:164. Shafa. Equals stand up as witness to the truth. Equals intercession. Equals clearing a falsehood assigned to someone. See verses 2:123, 6:50-51, 6 hours 70 minutes, 32:4, 39:44, 40:17-18, 10:3, 19 hours 87 minutes. Not even the messengers of God are exempt from the divine law of recompense. See verses 6:15, 10:15, 39:13, 72:20-21. Al-Baqarah, 249. Also remember when we saved you from Pharaoh's people, they persecuted you by assigning hard tasks and with a dreadful torment. They slaughtered your sons and let your women live for slavery and shameful acts. That was a great tribulation, a test from your Lord Supreme. In addition to killing the newborn boys, as a matter of state policy, Pharaoh humiliated the strong and left the vulnerable for slavery and shameful acts. Apni. Equals sons. Equals strong ones. Nisa. Equals females. Equals women. Equals weak ones. Yastahion. Carries the connotation of letting live as well as in shame. This is what a tyrannical system does. See verses 27:34, 28:4-5, 40:25. Exodus 1 verses 15-22. Page number 17.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences.